We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this tree, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced plant names and fruit names too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So yes, this is the name of a tree whose partially dried fruit is used to make medicine. How do you say it? In British English, it is normally pronounced as tamarind, tamarind. In American English, however, it is usually said as tamarind, tamarind in American English, or tamarind. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.